Okay, so question D, we have a situation where we've defined this area. So the area A, it is the area enclosed, or it's the region enclosed by the graph of f, L, and y equals x. So the first question, the first part is not to find the area, it's just to find the point where L intersects with the line y equals x. So that's this point here. Now, again, how do we find where a point of intersection? We just equate them. So we're going to equate L1, which is minus x, plus, well, let's do it the other way around, guys. I'm going to equate x, y equals x, to y equals this. So x equals minus x plus 2 ln 45 plus 2. And then add x to both sides. I get 2x equals 2 ln of 45 plus 2. And then to find x, just divide by 2. So I get ln 45 plus 1. Okay, so now I have the x coordinate of this point, and I also have the x coordinate of P. That's what I brought in here. We got that in part A of the question, and we have Q. So to find this area, we're going to use all those points. Now watch this. I'm going to draw a straight line down here. I'm going to draw a straight line down from P, and I'm going to draw a straight line down from Q. Okay, so to find area A, well, let's put in these x coordinates. So the x coordinate of P is this guy here is 5.5662. This guy here is, I'm sorry, I've done that the wrong way around. This guy is what I've just found. It's ln of 45 plus 1. ln 45 plus 1. You can get this to a decimal place if you want, but there's no need. This guy, P, is 5.5662. So these are the x coordinates, which are going to be important because they're going to be the limits in my integrals. I'll get to that in a second. And this guy's x coordinate is obviously just 2 ln of 45. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to split it up into this area here, and then let's say this area here. So 2 areas that I'm going to find. So to find the green area is going to be the integral. I'm going to do it down here, guys, because this is going to be a big integral. So the area is going to be, firstly, the green area. It's the integral from this to this, from here to here, which is, this is your lower limit, this is your upper limit. So your lower limit is ln 45 plus 1, and your upper limit is 5.5662. And then I need to do the integral of x minus the integral of L, because if you remember, when I integrate x, it's going to give me all this area underneath this straight line, but I need to subtract this pink area, which is the area under the line of L within the same limits. So I'm going to do x minus L, which is this, guys, brackets hugely important here. So minus x plus 2 ln 45 plus 2 dx. So that's my first, that'll give me the green area. You could do these separately if you wanted. I'm actually going to do them together in one go on the calculator. So this second integral, which would be the orange area, is going to be, my lower limit is now 5.5662. Upper limit is 2 ln of 45. Lower limit, upper limit. And then this is f, which is the integral of f, which is 90 e to the minus 0.5x. Is that correct? 90 e to the minus 0.5x, yes. And the same thing as, I'm going to subtract this area here, which is the area under, again, the line L. So I'm going to subtract this again, minus x plus 2 ln of 45 plus 2 close brackets, another dx. Okay, I'm going to put all of this, guys, into the calculator in one go. So I have menu, calculus, numerical, integral. The lower limit here is ln of 45 plus 1. If you want to make that a decimal, guys, that's absolutely fine. 5.5662. And then here I do x minus, and then brackets, guys, minus x plus 2 ln 45 plus 2, close bracket, close this bracket, dx. So that's the first one. Then I'm going to do plus another integral, menu, calculus, numerical integral. This time 5.5662 is the lower limit, and 2 ln of 45 is the upper limit. I have 90 times e to the negative 0.5x minus another bracket, minus x. Obviously, guys, loads of opportunity to make mistakes here, so be very, very careful. Actually, I'd probably recommend splitting it, doing two separate ones. But the working is for actually writing out these integrals. The working marks is for writing out the integrals. So that's the main thing that you have. ln of 45 plus 2, close my bracket again. This is dx. Hopefully this is right. I think that is correct. 1.51965. 1.51965. So area equals 1.51965. 1.51965, yes, which is approximately equal to 1.52 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so obviously, guys, that's not an easy question. Hopefully we're okay with the finding the area under a curve and then subtracting another curve just to find the area between two curves. But anyway, that's well, that's only part D. There's one more part left to this question. I'll do it in the next video.